Have you ever wondered what happens to a leaf after it falls? Throughout the life cycle of a tree, it absorbs many nutrients or inorganic minerals from the atmosphere as well as the soil. These minerals participate in various biochemical pathways and helps the trees to grow. For example, water is taken up from the soil through its roots. It is essential for photosynthesis and act as a solvent for nutrients and a medium for various cellular processes. Similarly, phosphate, calcium, magnesium, potassium, sulfate, they are also taken up from the soil and help in various functions. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the atmosphere through tiny pores called stomata on the leaves. Atmospheric nitrogen is absorbed from the soil in the form of nitrate and ammonium. Along with these 8 primary macronutrients, trees also require micronutrients like zinc, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, boron, and chlorine. These are needed in small amount but are vital for various biochemical processes. Once the tree absorbs these simple inorganic minerals, they are converted into simple organic compounds through various processes. For example, during photosynthesis, using sunlight, trees convert carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water from the soil into glucose. Nitrogen is converted into amino acids. Similarly, various inorganic nutrients play roles in the synthesis of fatty acids. These simple organic compounds are used to make complex organic compounds like cellulose and starch from glucose, protein from amino acids, fats and oil from fatty acids. So when a leaf falls from a tree, it starts decomposing, and the whole decomposition process takes place in 5 steps in which complex organic compounds are again back converted into simple inorganic minerals. The first step is fragmentation, that is, physical breakdown of the material into smaller pieces. Large detrivores such as earthworm, beetles, termites, they starts grinding the material, which increases the surface area available for microbial action, thus accelerating decomposition. The second step involved is leaching. It is the process by which some soluble nutrients like nitrogen and potassium are washed out of organic material and into the soil with the help of rain or any other form of precipitation, thus making them available for plants but also susceptible to being washed away during heavy rainfall, leading to nutrient loss. The third step is catabolism or chemical decomposition. In this, microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi release enzymes that catalyze the degradation of organic matter, thus helping in the breakdown of complex organic compounds into simpler substances like glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. Fourth step involved is humification, in which some portion of the simpler organic material is converted into humus by specific fungi and bacteria. Humus is a stable, dark-colored organic compound. It increases the soil's water-holding capacity and acts as a reservoir of nutrients for the plant. The last step involved is mineralization. This is the final step in decomposition where the organic material is completely degraded, releasing inorganic nutrients or minerals into the soil. The minerals are then available for uptake by plants, thus completing the nutrient cycle. Thus, every time we cut down a tree and move it away, we are not just removing a giant living entity, we are also taking away a reservoir of nutrients. Nutrients that have been pulled from the soil over decades or even centuries. These are the nutrients the earth won't easily get back. So when we take from nature, let's remember the hidden cost and strive to give back, ensuring a balanced and sustainable future.